Well, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video where I'm going to share with you 5 skincare hacks for flawless makeup application, because whether you're a full face queen out there or you just like to rock that bare face look and use a little bit of concealer, maybe to cover up under your eyes, cover up those pimples or zits, I've got the skincare hacks that are really going to maximize that makeup application to not only help your makeup look better instantly, but to also increase the longevity and wear time of your makeup. Now you guys know that flawless makeup starts with a good clean base, a smooth base, a clear base, pimple free, acne free with no fine lines, wrinkles. We don't want any of that makeup caking up on the skin. We want to really eliminate those dry patches, because who wants to be a flaky makeup mess? Skincare plays such an important part in your makeup application. It is the first step, the cornerstone, the foundation of your makeup application. These skincare tips and tricks are also perfect for if you have a photo shoot coming up or a big event like prom and you want to have like a flawlessly beat face. These skincare tips are going to help you to achieve like next level model skincare status. Before we dive into the 5 skincare hacks for makeup application, if you haven't already guys, don't forget to hit subscribe right down below. It's right next to that thumbs up button and that bell notification. Make sure you guys are turning on the bell notifications so that you don't miss a single video. Apparently subscribing isn't enough. You've got to go ahead and click all 3. Click, click, click. I'm so excited to tell you guys that this family is growing faster than ever. We are close to approaching 4,000 subscribers. I mean, I literally started with 0. This is so crazy, you guys. I'm so thankful for you. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video, my top 5 skincare hacks for flawless makeup application. Let's do it. Okay guys, so the first skincare hack that we're going to talk about that's really going to help to enhance your makeup application is exfoliation. Now I've actually done an entire video specifically on exfoliation. I'll have it linked down below. Exfoliation is really the cornerstone in your skincare routine and really the first step in having that flawless makeup application. Exfoliation is so important in helping to smooth out the skin, really to give that nice base, that nice smooth texture, so when you apply your foundation it applies a lot more evenly. It doesn't cling to any dry patches or dull patches, any fine lines or wrinkles. Now I'm sure this has happened to some of you guys before where you've put on foundation or concealer and all of a sudden you look in the mirror and you're like, whoa, where did that dry patch come from? Or where did that fine line, that crease, that wrinkle that the product really settles into? Exfoliation really helps to minimize that problem. Now I've mentioned a few of my favorite exfoliation products here on my channel before. Today I'm going to talk about the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel as well as the L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub. Now these are 2 of my favorite facial exfoliators and they each serve 2 totally different functions. I love both of them for different reasons. Now I love the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel for a number of reasons. This is a chemical exfoliator guys, and when you apply it to the skin and rub it around your face in little tiny balls, your skin actually peels off. I know that sounds crazy. It's not as scary as it sounds. I love to use this product around my nasal region, you guys. I have a lot of buildup, a lot of dead skin, a lot of blackheads in my nose region. I know it's so gross. So I like to use the Boscia Peeling Gel right on my nose region. This is great for days that I'm not going to shower in the morning or if I'm not going to wash my face. If you have any congestion problem, especially in your nasal region or on top of your nose, a peel gel is an amazing way because you can really get into those nooks and crannies and really scrub off that dull, dead skin. This is going to make your makeup application, especially around your nose, so much smoother, so much fresher, so much more skin-like. It's going to be like uncloggable. Now, on the other hand, I don't like to use the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel on my entire face. I don't know why, it's just a preference that I have. So on the outer edges of my face, especially in my hairline, I love to use the L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub. I really like to get it deep into the hairline, freeing up any dirt or congestion that I have along there. If you have any wax buildup or pomade buildup, this Pure Sugar Scrub is an amazing way to help loosen and get rid of all of that dirt, dry buildup. And this Pure Sugar Scrub is so cool, you guys. This is the kiwi version for oily skin. The cool thing is that it's made of pure sugar, all natural, no parabens, sulfates. I mean, L'Oreal, you've got it going on. Now, like I said, both of these exfoliators have its place and its time. The Boscia Peeling Gel is $50. That's why I like to use it sparingly just in the nasal region where I have the really true deep congestion. This L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub, you guys, is only $10. And that's really why I like to take it along the outer edges of my face, down my neck, behind my ears, along my chest. I mean, both of these products, a match made in heaven. Okay guys, so the next skincare hack for flawless makeup application is overnight face masks. An overnight mask is really going to give you flawless moisturized skin when you wake up. If you've never used a face mask before, there is absolutely no comparison with how your skin looks when you wake up the morning after using an overnight mask, especially in the summer if you're using an air conditioner in your bedroom, or in the winter if you're using a heater in your bedroom. Your skin can get really dry and dull. An overnight mask is fantastic at protecting your skin. This is the Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask to quench quench skin's thirst. This is one of the overnight masks I've been using the longest, and actually one of my favorite overnight masks. It is so hydrating, it's so quenching. When you wake up the next morning, your skin literally feels like a stick of butter that you've left out on the counter. You know, it's like so smooth and silky, you're like, whoa. I also love the Boscia Tsubaki Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. I've been using this overnight mask for about a year. I don't find it as deeply hydrating as the Origins face mask. I actually like to pair this one with the Boscia Tsubaki oil. So I'll go ahead and I'll put this face mask on at night, and then I'll apply another layer of the Tsubaki Beauty Oil, and that just really takes this face mask to another level. I mean, on the hydration scale of 0 to 10, I would put the Origins face mask at a 10 out of 10, and I would put this at a close second at about an 8.5, maybe a 9 out of 10. It's definitely still one of my favorites, and if you don't need that real deep hydration, like if it's not winter or if your skin's not that dry, this is an amazing second option. And how could I talk about overnight masks without talking about arguably the most famous overnight mask, and that's the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Now, you guys, this is one of the lightest hydration overnight masks that I've actually ever tried. I'm a little bit on the fence as to why it's the most popular overnight mask. It's definitely good, don't get me wrong. I've actually done an entire review. I'll link it down below. This overnight mask smells amazing, it feels amazing, it's light, it's beautiful, it's airy, but it just doesn't provide enough hydration that I look for in an overnight mask. So if you're someone who doesn't really suffer from dry skin, or if you live in a nice, moist, damp environment, this face mask may be good for you if you're only looking for that light hydration. For me, I need a little bit more. I'd like to pair it with another beauty oil or really layer it up, but it's definitely one of the most popular overnight masks, so it's definitely worth a mention. Now, I grabbed one other overnight mask that I really loved as well by D-Mask. Guys, I'll have all these products linked down below as well. I don't know if I said that already. This is the Good Night Collagen Mask by D-Mask. I've actually mentioned D-Mask here on my channel a couple of times. It's a really affordable South Korean skincare brand. I actually found this face mask at Marshall's. It was only $5, which, I mean, hello, great price. Guys, look how cool this pink face mask is. Now, this contains collagen, and it produces a collagen enhancing environment on your skin. If you apply this before bedtime, your skin is just like poppin', beautiful, fresh when you wake up. So overnight masks are so important in hydrating your skin because when you wake up, your skin is so much more smooth. If you apply foundation, concealer, powders, they're literally just gonna lay on top of your smooth skin like a dream come true. Okay guys, so the next skincare hack for flawless makeup application is actually one that I'm really excited for because it's one that I abide by every single day. You guys know, especially here on my YouTube channel, I love facial mists. Facial mist, sprays, I mean anything that you can spray onto the face. I find so easy. It's just easy hydration, it's quick hydration. Oftentimes it provides glycerin or hyaluronic acid, and delivering it along with a water spray just really helps to penetrate deep into the skin, plump up your skin, giving you that kind of youthful, beautiful glow. A few of my favorites is the Evian Facial Mist. I've used this to wet my skin to start my skincare routine oodles of times, you guys. I know it sounds a little bit crazy to buy spray aerosol water in a can, but this actually lasted me so long. I think it was around 20 bucks. It lasted me well over a year, if not a little bit longer. Now, you guys know I also love the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I have used tons of these facial sprays before. I have repurchased this dozens and dozens of times. This is probably one of my favorite facial sprays. I mean, I just find it so hydrating, and the rose water, the aloe, the fresh herbs. I mean, I literally could spray facial spray on my face all day long. It's so hydrating, so refreshing. Now, you can use a facial spray below your makeup, during your makeup application, or after your makeup to bring it back to life. I just find the Mario Badescu facial spray so amazing at giving your skin that instant boost of hydration. I mean, you can apply this over makeup, under makeup. Now, another cult classic facial spray that I'm sure all of you guys have heard of before is the Max Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Now, I'm sure as you guys know, Max Fix Plus works really well alongside makeup. If you want to enhance that highlight, or if you've got a foil eyeshadow that you want to enhance, you can apply it directly to the skin before you hit it with that highlight, or you can apply it to the end of your makeup brush before you apply those foil highlights to really give that eyeshadow a blinding finish. The thing with Max Fix Plus is that it contains glycerin, so this is really going to hydrate the skin. It's really going to prep the skin, prime the skin. Now, the one thing that some people are confused over with the Max Fix Plus is it's not going to make your makeup last any longer, like the Urban Decay All Nighter, which I also have. I could go get it for you guys, but I don't want to stand up. Something like Urban Decay's All Nighter is going to help your makeup last longer. Max Fix Plus is just going to bring it back to life and really hydrate it and give it that natural skin appearance. And if you're someone who loves powder foundation or loves to bake under the eye area in particular, a setting spray is so important in making that skin look natural afterwards and really giving you that dewy, natural glow. I honestly couldn't pick between these 3 facial mists if I had to pick one. I mean, all 3 of them are my favorite and all 3 of them serve different purposes. Okay guys, so the next skincare hack that's really going to help to enhance your makeup application is all about moisture, 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 and really getting in as much moisture into the skin as possible through sheet masks. Now, you can either use things like sheet masks, lip masks, eye mask. Now, the benefits of a sheet mask is that within that 15 minutes that you wear, because the sheet mask locks in all of that serum deep on the skin, it's really going to help penetrate deep into the skin. Now, the amazing thing about sheet masks is that they come in so many different varieties. Whether you need a sheet mask that focuses on collagen production, lightening, hydration, I mean, the coolest part of the sheet mask is that you really get to pick and tailor it to your skin type. Now, because I love a little bit of bougie skincare in my life, I've been loving this 24 karat gold sheet mask. 24 karat gold is amazing at reducing inflammation, and this one actually contains snail secretion, so that's really going to help to reduce any acne scarring. I mean, snail secretion sounds pretty gross, but it's actually really amazing and has so many wonderful skincare benefits. Now, a lip mask is so amazing if you're someone who has really dry lips, especially in this day of liquid lips or kind of like a matte lip. If you've got dry lips, you don't want to combine a matte lip with a dry lip. I mean, that's just a disaster waiting to happen. So using a little jelly lip mask like this one can really help soothe the lips, really help hydrate and plump the lips. I mean, amazing. And if you're someone who suffers from really dry under eyes or is starting to form those crow's feet in the under eye area, just pick up an under eye mask and keep it in the fridge. Not only is it going to help to reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes, but it's really going to help to hydrate those crow's feet, those fine lines, those wrinkles. So when you apply your concealer and foundation, it's not going to settle into those wrinkles. You're just going to have beautiful, flawless, smooth under eyes. So sheet masks are so important to use at least once a week, you guys, to really help enhance the skin, really smooth it out and give you that flawless, beautiful skin. Okay guys, so the last skincare hack for beautiful, flawless skin that's really going to give you that beautiful skin to go forward confidently in the direction of your dreams during the day, whether you're ready to rock that bare face or get that full face of foundation. This last skincare hack is actually not about application, but all about removal. Yup. Makeup removal. Now, if you're a culprit of going to bed with your makeup on, it is never too late. Today's the day that you can start washing your face before you go to bed. At the very worst case scenario, I suggest that you guys keep makeup wipes beside your bed. If you don't want to wash your face or you've just had a really exhausting day, you can grab a makeup wipe and quickly wipe your face. That definitely is better than nothing. But if you're wearing makeup, the proper way to cleanse your skin is actually with an oil cleanser first. I'm sure you guys have heard of things like Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Oil attracts oil, so your oily makeup is going to come off with a oil cleansing balm. Now, whenever I wear a little bit of makeup or powder, I always use the Etude cleansing oil. This is so popular on the internet, you guys. This is a South Korean brand, and this literally melts the makeup right off your face. So if you're someone out there who wears a full face of makeup, it is so important to use a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm first to really help melt off that makeup as the first step in cleansing. So once you've removed your makeup with a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, that's when you want to go in with the double cleanse and use your everyday facial cleanser to really help get those last bits of dirt and debris and really cleanse your skin and take it to a whole new level. So when you do the double cleanse, think of the oil cleanse as strictly for your makeup. When you go in with the second step of the double cleanse, you're really cleansing the skin and really getting that fresh, poppin', beautiful skin. Now, recently I've been loving Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Guys, this contains hyaluronic acid, so not only is it going to help cleanse the skin, but it's also going to help to moisturize the skin if you have dry skin, especially going into winter. And the best part about this Neutrogena cleanser is that it only costs a couple bucks from the drugstore. Now, I do like to use a cleansing device with my facial cleanser. I have the Clarisonic Mia here, as well as the Luna Foreo. I alternate between the two because honestly, I just love both of them. I've been a Clarisonic fan for many years, and then I recently discovered the Luna Foreo and was like, well, might as well add it into the mix. I can't pick a favorite, so let's just use them both. The benefits of a cleansing device is that it can get your skin so much cleaner than your hand, you guys. It really delivers an exceptional clean, and it also helps to smooth out any of that texture, any of that buildup that you have on your skin, any blackheads, whiteheads, acne, dry spots, or dull spots. I mean, cleansing devices are the bomb. I've actually done a complete review of both of these facial brushes before. I'll link it down below. But if you want to take your skincare routine and your skincare game to a whole new level, double cleansing along with a facial cleansing brush brush is going to give you snatched skin. And those guys are my top 5 skincare tips to get beautiful, glowing, flawless skin, to not only help your makeup look more natural, but also to help your makeup products apply more evenly, more smoothly, and also make your foundations, highlighters, makeup, eyeshadows last even longer. Great makeup and great makeup application start with the cornerstone foundations of good skincare and good skin. So if you guys follow all of these tips and tricks, you're gonna have beautiful, flawless skin in no time. Like always guys, I'll have all of these products linked in the description box down below. If you've tried any of these products before or have any product recommendations, any video ideas, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I reply to almost every single comment. If you made it to the end of this video, you are an absolute superstar. I love and appreciate you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video, I'll see you then. Bye guys.